Welcome, creative minds. Today, we'll explore the magic of Vidyo.ai for creating short-form videos on various social media platforms. It's super fun and easy. So, grab your snacks, and let's jump right in. First things first, visit the Vidyo.ai website and check out its cool features. Ready to start? Sign up for an account by clicking sign up and entering your email and password. I'll wait for you. Having trouble signing up? No worries, here are some quick fixes for common issues. Number 1, verify your email address. Number 2, use a strong password. Number 3, make sure your browser is up to date. Still having trouble? Contact Vidyo.ai support, and they'll be happy to assist you. Account set up? Great! Time to import your video. Click Import, choose the video file. Set your preferences, and let the AI work its magic. Vidyo.ai supports various formats, so no compatibility issues here. Having issues importing your video? We got you covered. Here's what you can do. Number 1, check your video file size and format. Number 2, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Number 3, clear your browser cache and try again. Still stuck? Reach out to Vidyo.ai support for help. Now, let's talk formats. Vidyo.ai offers square, landscape, and portrait formats for different platforms. So, choose the right one, and your video will shine everywhere. We'll also explore some platform-specific tips and tricks to make sure you have the perfect format for each one. Time for customization. Add branding, intros, outros, and cool fonts to make your video unique. Let's dive deeper into some advanced customization options that will make your videos truly stand out. Editing is a breeze with Vidyo.ai's Cut Magic. Trim, edit, add effects, and filters with just a few clicks. It's like playing with digital scissors and glue, but way cooler. Create your masterpiece, Picasso. We'll also discuss some creative editing techniques and go through a step-by-step tutorial to show you the full potential of Cut Magic. Want to collaborate with other creators? Vidyo.ai makes it easy to work together on projects. Share your videos, exchange ideas, and create awesome content with your friends. Let's take a look at how to invite collaborators and manage permissions. Finally, download your video. Vidyo.ai creates optimized videos for various platforms, so whether it's TikTok or Instagram, your content will stand out. Let's take a closer look at how to optimize your videos for each platform to maximize engagement. Curious about cost? Vidyo.ai offers free, Pro, and Pro Plus plans to fit your needs and budget. No need to be a millionaire to create sensational content. We'll break down the features of each plan to help you decide which one is right for you. What sets Vidyo.ai apart? It focuses on content repurposing and has extensive social media templates, making your videos stand out on any platform. We'll also discuss some of its limitations and how to overcome them. The real value of Vidyo.ai? Saving time, enhancing your online presence, and boosting engagement while letting you focus on creating. Trust us, it's a game changer. Compared to competitors, Vidyo.ai excels in content repurposing and offers a wide range of social media templates. Your videos will definitely shine with Vidyo.ai. So, there you have it. Vidyo.ai is your ultimate tool for fun, engaging, and share-worthy short-form videos. Give it a try and watch your content go viral in no time. You've got the tools, the knowledge, and the creativity to make amazing short-form videos with Vidyo.ai. Now it's time to unleash your inner content creator. Remember, the sky's the limit, and we believe in you. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our future tutorials and tips. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with Vidyo.ai, so drop us a comment below.